In this video, we're showcasing the Kling 2 tutorial. Kling 2.0 is a powerful leap forward in AI video generation, offering high-quality cinematic visual with smooth character motion, realistic physics, and advanced camera control. We'll start by opening Kling 2.0. Kling AI introduces the NextGen initiative with funding grants, global distribution, branding support, and early access to top features. It is empowering NextGen creators to bring bold visions to the screen and tell stories that matter. On the Kling 2.0 website, you can see different options on the left panel. On the home page, scroll down to find more generated AI images. You can also give a prompt to it to generate the image. On the left panel, you'll find the AI generation area. Here, it'll show you the image editing, video, and sound options that you can generate with it. To generate any video, click on the video option under the AI generation. In video generation, you can use text to video, image to video, and multi-element features. To generate a video by giving a prompt, select the text to video option. Here, provide a prompt such as a cinematic aerial shot of a futuristic city at sunset, flying cars zipping by, ultra-detailed buildings reflecting golden light. You can also give the prompts according to your needs or requirements. The prompt was chosen to highlight Kling 2 cinematic rendering, motion consistency, and scene detail. After that, choose the video quality, time duration, aspect ratio, and number of outputs you want. Following that, click on Generate. Before generating, sign in with Google by choosing your Google account. Now, continue it and it'll show you different plans of Kling 2.0. You can get started with the basic plan that costs nothing. The standard plan costs $79.02. The Pro plan costs $293.04. And the Premium plan costs $728.64 per year. You can switch this plan to monthly packages as they cost differently yearly and monthly. Other than that, it'll start generating your video according to the given prompt. Lastly, preview the video and you can download it to save it. These were just a few examples of what Kling 2.0 can do. Want to try it yourself? We've included a list of tested, high-performing prompts in the video description to help you get started quickly.